Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell how to make logos. You can use these logos for your gaming channel or your YouTube or your profile pics or many more like Facebook, Instagram, Twitch. There are many social accounts, right? You can use this over there. So the first thing you have to do is you can enter placeit.net in your Google Chrome or any other browser. So this opens up. So there are many templates, so you could press your logos on the top, which is there. So it would ask you your brand name. So my brand name is like what your channel is all about. So mine is, yeah, so mine is this, and I would ask you to pick an industry. So my industry is gaming all. So if you don't know what your industry is, then you can select logos all. And if you know what your industry is, you can like gaming, then select gaming, then architect, then select architect, and there are many more. It's totally your wish. So then you have to press let's go. Then there will be many templates chosen for you, so you can choose any one of the templates which you would like. So in the first page, if you don't like any templates, then you can press second. In the second also you don't like, then go to third, and there are many other pages, so you can visit them. So now I'm just going to pick one template so that I can show you how to edit them. So if I take this for example, now it's a little bit funny, no? So now this is the template. Now if you want to change the color or if you want to change anything in this, so now my name is multi-faced, but then I just don't want the tips and tricks. So you could remove the tick mark which is there over here, tips and tricks. So if you want to write anything other than tips and tricks, then you can press the tick mark, and then you can delete tips and trick, and you can keep anything you want. Like for example, I kept gaming, so it would automatically change and it would type gaming. So now I don't like the font of the gaming, so I could go and press this, it will automatically change. You can keep anything, it's totally your wish. You can even change the font of multifaceted, and you can, yeah. So now you can even change the background color, the picture color. So now the main graphic color is blue, so now you can keep it for green. Yeah, you can choose any color you want, it's your option. So the accent I will choose blue, it's written, so I choose black for example. It looks more fancy. The beach I would keep it as, yeah. Now if you think that you don't like this picture which is over here, so you can scroll down over here and there are many more, so you can even keep this. So you can press any one of that and then it would come. See, so if you don't like this also, then you can see this. You can change like this. Okay, so now you like this icon, and now what you have to do is you cannot download it because you have to pay $39. So now what you have to do is you can take a screenshot of this. So now for the screenshot in the windows, I can type here snapping tool, you can use it. So new, and you can select the picture you want. Yeah, so this is the picture I want. So file, save as, scroll all the way top, desktop. So instead of capture you can write anything. Top you can write whatever you want. So I kept like ABC, saved over there. So now you can exit
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.